The Nova Air Dome, an exclusive inflatable tent design. You asked. And we answered. Designed for easy transportation, the Nova Air Dome folds into a double strap bag. Pump, pegs, mallet. Everything you need to create pitch perfection, including a savvy spares bag. Strong and robust, high-quality steel pegs are used to set firm foundations. Over the days of pole politics, the glamping gods have put an end to pitching palaver with revolutionized inflatable magic. Plug in and pump it up. Like magic, you'll start to see the waterproof walls forming into a canvas castle. Camp without caution. We've replaced guy ropes with super strength webbing straps. With an integrated curved door overhang. Large oval windows and vents that offer both a bug-free breeze and peaceful privacy. If your adventures can't commence without heat and power, fear not. The zippable access point allows you to wire up to an electrical hookup point. The breathable Polycotton blend also allows safe stove installations. Now, let's take the tour inside the ever-spacious structure that offers a headspace as grand as the pole-free floor space. The beauty of this design is the creative freedom it gives campers when furnishing. From a centered double bed for two to optional inner tent installations, great for families seeking a more comfortable, clutter-free camping experience, the Nova Air Dome is as versatile as tents get. Rated an impressive 4.9 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot, it's no wonder the Nova Air Dome has campers upgrading their kit from basic to boutique. Elevate your camping game today at www.boutiquecamping.com.